Hello everyone and welcome back. This morning when I woke up, I was 63.2 kilos, which is a net loss of a minimum of 300 grams if I was 63.55 yesterday, and maybe 700 grams if I was 800 grams actually if I was 64 kilos. We'll never know what I was yesterday. So let's just say that I lost 305 grams since yesterday, and from now on, because I weighed myself twice today, so it is really 63.2, no doubt here. So let's take a look at the numbers. In terms of total calories, we're talking 1,562 calories, 98.2 grams of protein. I have walked 33,367 steps for a total of 24.9 kilometers. I could have walked another 100 meters and would have reached 25 kilometers. I broke my fast around 11 a.m. with my shake. Why did I not break it earlier? Simply because I was walking. I left earlier in the morning and I was just not hungry. It was cold as well. Not cold, but it was fresher in the morning. So a bit different when you walk midday than when you walk in the morning. So I didn't want to eat earlier. I wasn't hungry at all. 11 a.m. had my shake, beautiful. A little later, a few hours later, had my salad. It was the white bean, corn, avocado, almonds, feta cheese, and courgette. And it was really good. I had an apple before that. My last meal was the salmon basmati rice with green peas sprinkled with sesame seeds. It was really good. I didn't have any cheese, I didn't have any crackers, I didn't have any muesli, any croissant, whatever. I just had a square, not even a square, I had like 9 grams of chocolate. Bottom line, the 3 meals that I had yesterday were really satisfying, they were really nutritious, and they really filled me. Oh, I added the black beans as well to the last meal, I forgot. Yes, that was just to plump up a little bit the fiber and the protein intake. But I didn't feel the need to have more. Plus, I'm on this like 12-day journey, which is 12 days. It's not 12 years and it's not 12 months. So I'm obviously more motivated than I was in the past month where I was like stagnating, So I did a leg training. It was pretty intense. I squatted, but I didn't deadlift. I did mostly machines, but I really focused on slowing down everything. It was good. I have to say it was really good. Good trainings, 6 on 10. And do you see what I mean by when I say I'm really going to make sure I work out a lot more with, I focus more on my training, I walk more. I keep doing what I was doing for the past month. I'm just refining everything. Instead of having my shake, my salad, and then a dessert after lunch, I'll have nothing after lunch and just go for a little walk. And then at night, instead of adding muesli and croissant, which is just fillers of boredom, I'd say, because it's the end of the day and I'm tired and I'm just having a little square chocolate. Very satisfying. It satisfies my sweet tooth. But if I had been in an emotional need for more, I would have probably had some. But again, 12 days, guys. It's not 12 months. It's not 12 years. It's just like a 12-day challenge where I can really supercharge my weight loss, because it's been stagnating. Not because I was on a plateau, on what we define as plateau, simply because I was not really in a big calorie deficit. I was in a tiny, slight calorie deficit, or I was in a good calorie deficit for the week, and then on the weekend I'd go, ooh. That's also very normal. So bottom line, it was a very good day. This is, and so I'm doing everything that I need to be doing to reach my goals. If I don't reach my goal at the end of the week, that it's because it wasn't an attainable goal. But if I have a goal and I do everything that I can to reach it and I don't reach it, that's fine. If I have a goal and I'm not doing everything that I could be doing, then that's different. But in my case, yesterday was a very good day. Like, I was really active and I walked good and I trained good and I ate good. So bottom line, it's very, very good day. So I will see you tomorrow for feedback on today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.